Lately, move to earn games have been very appealing to the new investor because you actually can get paid to run, walk, or jog. Who wouldn't actually love to get paid to do that? In particular, Stepn is one of the biggest companies that's been growing very, very fast. But when you look into their numbers and the growth kind of plateaued, you're wondering, will the company be here long term? And I was looking at this article today, and the article say why you should be worried about Stepn, right? And they have the move to earn Stepn type of shoe. And right here it say the Stepn story so far. Stepn premise is simple. You get paid to move. The move to earn lifestyle app launched with a closed beta in December 2021 and maintained steady growth by onboarding new users through weekly Discords, calls, and Twitter spaces. Stepn ambassadors would reward engaged community members with a pair of the game NFT sneakers, granting them access to start earning green Satoshi tokens, GST, by running, jogging, or walking around the neighborhoods. And at the time, players can earn from anywhere from $5 to $50 a day, depending on how long they've been playing and how many pairs of sneakers they own. But $5 to $50 a day is great just to go out and work out if you're gonna do it already. By March, Stepn has amassed more than 100,000 downloads via the Google Play Store. Now the game developers boast that to support over 800,000 daily active users. So they're saying they're growing like crazy. The game governance token GMT reached an all-time high of $4.11 in April after trading for cents a few weeks earlier. GST earned through playing the game saw a similar rise, topped at about $8.51. So as the move to earn mania hit a peak in late April. So people want to know, is it sustainable? And I love how they did this article. They broke it down very clear. As a new crypto project providing lucrative return to its players, skeptics has questioned whether Stepn token economy can continue paying people so handsomely to go on their daily jogs. It's essential to understand precisely how the game economics work to understand if Stepn economic model is sustainable. So while players need a single pair of Stepn NFT sneakers to start playing, owning multiple pairs mean they can earn more GST tokens. Sneaker generate energy daily, and every 5 minutes spent moving converts to 1 point into amount of GST tokens decided by the sneaker efficiency rate. So basically, depending on what type of sneaker you get, you're going to earn basically more money as you go out there every 5 minutes. Players who hold at least 2 pairs of sneakers can also mint, meaning they can actually create a baby. They can make their sneaker create another sneaker. Stepn economic structure is also similar to Axie Infinity, the first play to earn game that hit it big. In Axie Infinity, players burn Axie and SLP tokens to breed Axies, which they are needed to play the game and earn tokens. In Stepn, sneaker minting is the name of the game. Both Axie Infinity and Stepn rely on new players joining to keep the game profitable for existing ones. If demand for the sneakers dry up, their price on a secondary market will fall. This means fewer named sneakers will get minted, removing buying pressure from GST and GMT. Meanwhile, those are already playing the game will continue to earn tokens to sell on the open market, driving the value of GMT and GST down in a race to the bottom. Eventually, Axie Infinity honeymoon period wore off. The game struggled to retain players once the monetary incentives disappeared and fewer players were playing the game for fun. Demand for Axies and tokens needed to breed them catered. The price movement of the game flagship Axie soared from $4 in May to the all-time high of $164 in November. That's crazy. 6 months later, it's just trading over $20. So it went from $4, $164, and this is kind of the bottom. Looking in the future, while it might not happen tomorrow or even next month, previous play to earn games show that Stepn current model is unsustainable. Unless the game make drastic changes, a crash is almost inevitable. Well, right here, it basically just sounds like they're salty because Stepn team haven't responded to them or anybody else. But, your team got to keep things on lock. So let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts about that? Do you think Stepn model need to change, because first, paying somebody $5 to $50 a day to run, that's a lot of money. That's actually good, which we need to really take advantage of. And if they're only making 6% of trading fees, they probably need to find a way to make it more profitable for them, because you're paying a lot of people that's taking full advantage of it. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. And I forget to say, look at me being rude. Let's do some housekeeping. I appreciate you guys. All I ask in return is to just press that like button, press that subscribe button. That help a player out. And I have my Patreon. I have launched and started. We're getting everything popping at the beginning of next month, but you can sign up right now. Click the link in the bio or at the top of the comments to get involved. So with Stepn app, let's see the current price of a sneaker. So you got people running nonstop. Calories are getting burned. Their Discord members is at 600,000 and Twitter followers over 500,000. So the company been growing, but since I can't necessarily find the price right there, I have it pulled up on my phone, right? Look at this. So the average price for a sneaker is about 13 Solana. And this is for the most expensive sneaker. This is for like the runner. And I believe when I originally did the video, I think it was about $1,200 to get a sneaker. If we did 14, so instead of 13 Solana, let's say we did 14 Solana and we timed it by $50. I believe Solana is under $50, but just for conversational purposes, that is close to like $700. After fees, you can get a sneaker for $700 and then start making $5 to $50 a day. So you'll get your money back within a month if you're active with it. So it's still kind of worth it if you ask me. If we go to their Twitter, approaching 600,000 followers, man. So people are believing in this, but I love to look at the comments on recent posts. Like, what are people saying? Are they still excited about the project? Let's see, Twitter space. Okay, this got a lot of comments right here. Let's see what people are saying. Oh, we got good looking Asian chick. All right, why transfer between spinning and wallet take so much time? Shouldn't those with walking shoes have more energy? Should I transfer my GST? Why transfer between spinning and wallet takes much time? I hope that the team will get this solved. So looks like there is a problem in paradise. They have probably a few things going on where people can't figure out their balances. Since I haven't bought any sneakers yet, I don't necessarily know. Let's see if we can find some under this. NFT, bricks and walls, see what people are saying under this post. Hey guys, is it possible to get rewards GFT if you have running shoes and one walking shoes? Please let me know. Really need a Stepn code, so people still trying to get in. Need an activation code. I want shoes, fix the problem now. So I think they're going through regular problems. And if we look at their GST token price, the total price is $1.40. Last 24 hours, it is up 6%. The last week is down 6%. Last month, 56%. And the last 3 months is up over 700%. But you look at this in the last month, it's really kind of following Bitcoin right now, where it's really just trading sideways in this sunken place. And you really don't want it to be doing this, because with crypto crashing, this is the worst thing it can do, because it'll take another dip and it'll do it again, take another dip, do it again, and will plateau down. But in my opinion, this rank 62. This is still a good buying opportunity, low risk, high return type of investment, because you invest $700, and if you are a runner, make money, you get to sell. I think they do need to change their business model, because like they said, Axie Infinity had to go through it, and with crypto, the crypto economy currently going down, it don't help them right now at all, because they're putting out money and they're not necessarily receiving any back. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Stepn is still a great buy? Do you think the company is still a good opportunity to get involved in. Let me know in the comments, and make sure you get involved with the Patreon and join the success team if you haven't already done it. It's only $20. We're going to teach you ways how to start a strong portfolio, crypto portfolio, stock portfolio. I'm going to have different speakers come in, give you game that I'm not actually giving on YouTube, and the value of this game is worth thousands of dollars. Talk to you guys soon. I'm Lando Says. I'm out.